Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, induction of Hermes 900 Starliner drones into Indian Army. The induction of the Heron Mark II drones along with the planned induction of the Hermes 900 drones is set to boost the surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities of the Indian Army. Induction of remotely piloted aircraft system Heron MkII and planned induction of Hermes 900 Starliners will not only boost the reconnaissance of the Indian Army but also their teaming with combat helicopters, which will prove to be a game changer in the third dimension. Next, showcasing joint operation with Army involving Sudarshan S-400 air defense missile system. The major aerial exercise Purvi Akash held across the northeastern states along the China border by the Indian Air Force included joint operations with the Army and involved high-tech lethal weapons such as the Sudarshan S-400 air defense missile system. Sudarshan Chakra is the main weapon of Bhagwan Shri Krishna. Next, capturing the first high energy X-ray glimpse of solar flares by Aditya. ISRO maiden solar mission Aditya L-1 has captured its first high energy X-ray glimpse of solar flares during its first observation period from approximately October 29. The high energy L-1 orbiting X-ray spectrometer on board Aditya L-1 spacecraft has recorded the impulsive phase of solar flares, the space agency said in a statement. Next, historic moment for FWDA by achieving DGCA certification for indigenous drones. Flying Wedge Defense and Aerospace has made history by becoming the first private company in India to secure a Directorate General of Civil Aviation type certification for its homegrown unmanned aerial vehicles technology. This achievement is a significant step towards ensuring the safety and reliability of drone in India, as no drone, aircraft or similar vehicle can operate in the country without DGCA type certificate. Next, Jaishankar co-chairs India-Malaysia Joint Commission meeting. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar co-chaired the 6th India-Malaysia Joint Commission meeting with his Malaysian counterpart Jamri Abdul Qadir in New Delhi on Tuesday. The meeting was focused on the security, trade and finance sectors as well as maritime cooperation between the two countries. Next, orders of 100 K9 Vajra from Indian Army. South Korea's Hanwha Defense and Indian Larsen & Toubro have reason to be optimistic as they anticipate repeat orders for 100 units of the K9 Vajra 155 mm 52 caliber tracked self-propelled howitzer from the Indian Army. These forthcoming orders, expected to be finalized early next year, will feature a specialized winter kit designed to adapt the K9 Vajra for operation in high altitude regions. Next, Self-Reliance with HSLD MkII missiles. Indian Air Force, equipped with a diverse fleet that includes the Jaguar and Su-30 MkI aircraft, relies on a range of munition to bolster its air defense capabilities. Among these, the high-speed, low-drag, that is HSLD MkII missiles play a crucial role. Next, successful test fires Pralay missile off Odisha coast. India on Tuesday successfully test-fired its surface-to-surface short-range ballistic missile Pralay from the Abdul Kalam Island of the Odisha coast, a defense official said. Next. Showcasing corner shot weapon system to Thai military. Zen Technologies, a leading Indian player in the field of defense and security training solutions, recently showcased its cutting-edge technology and commitment to excellence at the Defense and Security Expo 2023 in Thailand. The event witnessed the participation of esteemed defense delegations and highlighted the company's dedication to supporting defenders with state-of-the-art smart training solutions. Next. Suspension of mobile internet in parts of Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama. Mobile internet has been suspended in parts of Pulwama district of Jammu and Kashmir for security reasons, officials said on Tuesday. Thank you.